It seems you have a little problem with this project, boys, girls, and Apache helicopters. I was smashing through happily with this cage. Rear loop was done. Obviously, it was a bit of a pain in the backside to do, but it was done. Came onto the front legs and realised then at that point that there was a location for a VIN number or body tag. Now, it's a bit odd because it's an older vehicle as far as I was aware. And it's an older vehicle on the paperwork. So there's no way, unless I'm mistaken, that they were going to preempt, that they were going to change how they've done the body tags from the pillar down here to the one on the front. So I think at some point it's had a body swap, which isn't a problem at all. But then because I looked at that, I then looked at the plate on the door, which is this plate that's here, and realised that someone has gone and decided to hammer off the old number that's on that tag. And chuck their own one on, so which matches the paperwork. So as far as I stand at the minute, I've spent $8,000 on just the original truck to realise that it's a load of parts chucked together, good parts granted, and then probably some paperwork bought for it, I think, or swapped off another truck to kind of avoid the tax. I don't really know what's gone on, but either way it's sketchy. So I've decided to get rid of the paperwork and get rid of the truck in pieces. I'm technically breaking it for parts. So yeah, that's going. Annoyingly, I've got thousands of pounds worth of steel and I've got loads of spares. I've got a conservatory full of like front panels, rear panels, etc. It's not all doom and gloom.